When searching for a home, the first step is to become pre-qualified. In this video, I'll be going over why pre-qualification is necessary and the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval, as well as the process of becoming pre-qualified. Welcome to the channel. My name is Stephen Hunt. I'm a licensed real estate salesperson in the capital region of New York with eXp Realty. On this channel, I'll be going over everything real estate as well as some tips in finance. So remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a video. Why get pre-qualified? Pre-qualification will help you understand the tax range and the price range you could search in. It will help you understand that comfortable monthly payment that can work for you. This will also help a real estate agent understand what you're looking for, the price range and tax range, and they'll feel more comfortable to work with you. A real estate agent will not want to work with you if you do not have a pre-qualification letter, because the pre-qualification basically shows them that you're serious about buying a home and of course that you can afford it. If you contact a real estate agent and say you want to buy a house, they'll ask you to get pre-qualified. Some sellers won't even let you in the door unless you're pre-qualified. If you really think about it, what's the point of looking at all these houses when you're not even sure that you're going to get a pre-qualification letter? Might as well get the pre-qualification letter so that you save your time and the real estate agent saves their time as well. What is the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval? So pre-qualification gives you an idea of what you can afford. Pre-approval gives you the exact amount that you can afford. So a pre-approval would be stronger. They go a little bit more in detail to find out what you're qualified for. A couple differences between the requirements for pre-qualification and pre-approval are: for pre-qualification, they'll want to know your income information. They'll want to do a credit check for you. They'll want to know your desired amount for down payment and your desired mortgage amount. And they'll also want to know your bank information. There's no tax information needed for the pre-qualification. For the pre-approval, they'll want to see 2 years of your tax returns. They'll want to see the most recent 30 days of pay stubs, the 2 most recent bank statements. They'll do a credit check as well, and they'll want to verify the down payment. They will also ask for your desired mortgage amount. So that's the difference between the pre-qualification and the pre-approval. Now we're going to be talking about the pre-qualification loan application. So once you have a loan originator contact information, then you'll contact the loan originator. They'll either go over the questions on the phone, you could fill it out online, or you can meet them in person. The questions basically ask you your contact information, so your name, your phone number, your email address. They'll want a 2-year address history, a 2-year job history. They'll want to know your social to pull your credit. They want to know your income, your yearly gross or your monthly gross income. They'll ask you your current job, the position of your current job, and the income that you receive from that current job. They will also ask you for your date of birth, and they'll want to know if you have any other streams of income. There may be some other questions that I have not went over with you in this video, but once you talk to a loan originator, they'll bring them up for you. This is the basic questions that will be on the loan application for pre-qualification. Now, once the loan originator has all of the loan application information, they'll plug your numbers in and they will get you a pre-qualification letter. So it's a very simple process to get pre-qualified. It takes about 10 minutes. Once you gather up all that information, the loan officer will process it and get back to you. I'm going to be placing a link below to the uniform residential loan application, or the loan application for the pre-qualification, just so you have an idea of the questions on it. Once you call a loan originator, they'll go over all that with you, so it'll be simple. But if you're curious, it'll be in the link below. I'll also be placing a link in the description below for my contact information if you would like to talk a little bit more about pre-qualification. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was beneficial to you and answered your questions. If it did, please hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the video. I'll be going over a lot of valuable information about real estate as well as some finance tips.